equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of installing a custom graphics card support in your PC. This is essential for preventing sagging and ensuring optimal performance. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by powering down your PC and unplugging it from the wall. Safety first. Next, remove the side panel of your case. This usually involves unscrewing a couple of screws at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once the side panel is off, take a moment to clean the interior of your case. Dust can accumulate and affect performance, so use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and components. Now, locate your graphics card. If it's already installed, you'll need to remove it. Unscrew the screws holding it in place and gently pull it out of the PCIe slot. Be careful not to touch any of the gold connectors. With the graphics card removed, it's time to install the custom support. Most supports come with adjustable height settings, so you can tailor it to your specific setup. Position the support under the graphics card slot, ensuring it aligns properly with the card's mounting points. Secure the support in place using the screws provided. Make sure it's tight but not overly so, as you don't want to damage any components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Once the support is secured, it's time to reinstall your graphics card. Carefully slide it back into the PCIe slot and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure it's firmly in place to avoid any issues later. After the graphics card is reinstalled, double-check that all connections are secure. This includes power cables and any additional connectors that may be required for your specific card. Before closing up your case, it's a good idea to do a quick test. Plug your PC back in and power it on. Check that the graphics card is functioning correctly and that there are no unusual noises or issues. If you encounter any problems, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can know what to expect. Once you've confirmed everything is working, power down your PC again and replace the side panel. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, tidy up your workspace and enjoy your newly supported graphics card. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your PC serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.